friends, it's Amanda here, and today I'm going to be starting what I hope will be a new little mini series on my channel called 5 Product Face. As long as people are actually interested in it, I imagine these will be quick little videos, and I'll probably be uploading them as a bonus video. So I don't plan on doing one a week or one a month even. I just will throw up a little 5 product face probably sometime on the weekend as a 4th video, just for fun. See what I did there? I got this idea from some posts that I was putting up on my Instagram stories where I would do my really light makeup days, and there were 2 in particular where I did a 5 product face. I thought this idea could be a fun little mini series. So there's basically 3 reasons why I want to do 5 product face. The first and foremost, because this is mainly a review channel where I swatch and review products and I do favorites and things like that, I thought that 5 product face would be a great way to really showcase super high quality products, things that are just go-tos for me. A lot of the products that I'll use will be multitaskers, and they really can just stand on their own. There's no needing to make it work or needing a special primer or a special powder or whatever, just high quality, standalone, multi-use products. The second reason is probably pretty obvious. Basically, I just want to give you some tips, some ideas for really quick and easy makeup looks, whether you just want a little something to throw on before you run out the door, if you're feeling lazy, if you're in a hurry. So that's reason number 2, and probably how most people will use these videos. My third reason for wanting to do this series is I really want to normalize a more low-key type of makeup look in the beauty space. Look, I have absolutely nothing against full glam. You often see me in a full face of makeup, and I'm still going to love wearing foundation and doing, taking an hour to do my beauty routine, wearing duochrome and bright purple and all that stuff. But I think that it's also important to show a more low-key look. It's not something that we get a lot from the beauty YouTube space. And I like both. I like full glam, I like super low-key, I like everything in between. I really want to show that on my channel as well. So that's why I want to do this series. I genuinely hope that this is helpful and something that you're interested in. This isn't going to be a no makeup look that has 20 different products and uses 20 different brushes. I'm going to be using 5 makeup products. I will, of course, still be using beauty tools. In today's video, I'm only using 3 tools. I will be using a sponge, a spoolie for my brows, and a lash curler, and that's it. There will be other times where I will use a powder brush or, something like that, but I really want to keep this super minimal. I love just a lazy makeup day sometimes, and, that's what this video is going to be. So let's get started, shall we? First product of my 5 is the Future Dew from Glossier. I love this as a multitasker because I'll use it as a primer, I'll mix it in with a foundation sometimes, and you can even layer this up further for a face highlight. I'm gonna use 1.5 pumps to cover my face. I use Future Dew in the same way that I use MAC strobe cream, but I do find this to be more dewy and less shiny. I mean, I love strobe cream, but strobe cream will leave your face looking legitimately kind of metallic sometimes. And this is not metallic shiny, this is like sweaty shiny, which I'm actually here for. I have dry skin, so looking sweaty is goals. Next, I'm going to be doing some concealing. I'm grabbing one of my all-time favorite concealers. This is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This has super high coverage, so I actually like to use this on a day when I'm not going to be wearing a lot of products because I feel like I get a lot of bang for my buck out of this product. I know it looks crazy right now, but once I blend it in, it'll look good, trust me. And I'm done. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, that wasn't even funny. I'm gonna use my ColourPop Pretty Fresh sponge to blend this in. This is the little mini one. If I'm just doing concealer and not full foundation, I like to grab the mini one. Basically using this as foundation at this point. I love this concealer so much because it has such good coverage, but it still looks really natural. I have dry skin, so a lot of full coverage products do not look very natural on me. And I feel like this one just looks so skin-like once it's blended in, particularly with that Future Dew, but it dries down enough that I don't feel like I have to powder it to keep it in place. Next, we're gonna use a great little multitasking product. This is the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk. It's a nice little soft peachy nude shade. What I like to do is just dump out a little bit on the back of my hand and then pick it up with my fingertip. That way I don't overdo it, because you can always add more, but you can't always take it away, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna build that up on my finger a little bit and add that to my cheeks. Bring a little life back to this complexion since I concealed the entire face. I'm also gonna put a little bit of that on my lips. Just bring a little color back to the lips. I still have some left on my hand. I've never put this on my eyes before, but I think I might put a little bit on my eyelids as well. Going for a very monochromatic look today. I'm not putting that over my whole lid. I'm focusing more on the outer part of my eye and kind of blending up into the crease, just to get a little dimension to the eye. But this is supposed to be quick and easy, so that's what I'm going for. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. Next, for me personally, something that's gonna be in every single one of these videos is a brow gel. I love a tinted brow gel. I have some pretty crazy beastly brow hairs sometimes, so a tinted brow gel is a must for me. I'm using the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. This is the shade Dark Brown. I think this step is pretty self-explanatory. It's going to fill in my brows a little bit. It's also going to help me keep my brow hairs in place, which is my main concern, but I do like adding a little bit of tint to my brows as well, just sort of fill in any gaps. Brush through that with a spoolie just so that everything goes where I want it to go. Disperse that product a little bit. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more Future Dew back on top of my cheeks, since that really high coverage concealer sort of took away some of my glowiness. So this is another step, but it's not another product, so I'll allow it. And the last step for me is mascara. This is my 5th product. I got this sample of the Maybelline, the Falsies, in my latest Ulta order. Of course, you gotta curl the lashes a little bit. Well, you don't have to. I'm going to. I'm gonna put my mascara on off camera because I don't really want to watch somebody do that, so I'm not gonna make you watch me do it. Okay, BRB. All right, that's it. That's my finished 5-product face. Let's take a close-up look, shall we? For me, the whole point of wearing makeup is just to enjoy the process, and I am more than happy to leave my house with a 0 product face. I mean, we still want to do our skincare and our sunscreen. There's nothing wrong with wearing an absolutely bare face. There's nothing wrong with a super minimal makeup look. There's nothing wrong with glitter and lashes and everything in between. Honestly, if you just want to use 3 of these products, if you want to add 3 more, if you hate wearing this little makeup and you would never bother doing that, those things are all fine. That's really the point. This is the kind of look that I would be more than happy to just kind of throw on just to do a little something fun, to feel a little, you know, that special applying makeup moment. There's a place for every type of makeup and beauty in this world, definitely on this channel, and I hope that this is fun and informative for you. I definitely have more ideas for different product combos, and I'm also gonna try not to reuse the same ones over and over again. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing more of these, and do you wear a really minimal makeup look like this ever? I always love to hear what you guys think about things. What are your favorite quick products? What are your favorite multitaskers? Leave all your thoughts down in the comments, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And my voice, oh brother, I'm fine. Okay. Really? Get it together. Something that I'm going great. It's really going great. Next, I'm gonna be doing some, excuse me, when I said BRB, all I could think of was that meme, like, hello fellow kids or whatever. Like, that's me. Thinking that I'm cool using AOL Instant Messenger lingo. Oh, it's fine. Probably every single one of these videos, if this series continues, will be me wearing a hoodie. All right, okay. See you sometime. See you later. See ya.